Hello and welcome to the session on project management process. Before we move forward, here is the learning outcome. At the end of this session, students will be able to uniquely identify the role of project management process. A project is a sequence of unique, complex and connected activities that have one goal or purpose and that must be completed by a specific time within budget and according to the specification. A project may have number of activities that must be completed in some specified order or sequence. The sequence of the activities is based on the technical requirements, not on management. To determine the sequence, it is helpful to think in terms of inputs and outputs because the output of one activity or set of activities becomes the input to another activity or set of activities. Unique activities. The activity in a project are unique. Something is always different each time the activities of a project are repeated. Usually the variations are random in nature. For example, a part is delayed, someone is sick, or the power failure occurs. Complex activities. The activities that makes up the project are not connected activities. Connectedness implies that there is a logical or technical relationship between pairs of activities. There is an order to the sequence in which the activities that makes up the project must be completed. And they are considered connected because the output from one activity is the input to other. For example, you may have designed a computer program before you can program it. You could have a list of unconnected activities that must all the complete in order to complete the project. For example, consider the painting the interior rooms of a house. With some exception, the rooms can be painted in any order. The interior of a house is not completely painted until all its rooms have been painted, but they can be painted in any order. One goal. Projects must have a single goal. However, a very large complex projects may be divided into several sub-projects and each of which is a project in its own right. Such division makes for better management control. For example, sub-projects can be defined at the department, division or geographic level. This artificial decomposition of a complex projects into sub-projects which simplifies the scheduling of resources and reduces the need of interdepartmental communications while a specific activity is worked. Specified time. Projects are finite. Processes are continuous. The projects have a specified completion date. So this date can be self-imposed by management or externally specified by a client or government agency. The deadlines is beyond the control of any working on the project. The project is over on the specified completion date whether or not the project work has been completed. In other words, the project manager is giving a duration for the project and the senior manager wants a deadline. Within budget, the projects also have a resource limit, such a limited amount of people, money or machines that are dedicated to project. These resources can be adjusted up or down by management, but they are considered fixed resources by the project manager. For example, suppose a company has only one web designer at the moment, so that is fixed resource which is available to project manager. Senior management can change the number of resources, but the luxury is not available to the project manager. If the one web designer is fully scheduled, the project manager has a resource conflict that he or she cannot resolve. According to specification, the client or the recipient of the projects expect a certain level of functionality and quality from the project. These expectations can be self-imposed, such as the specification of the project completion date, or the client specified, such as producing sales report on weekly basis. A business focused definition of a project. A project is a sequence of finite dependent activities whose successful completion results in the delivery of the expected business values that validated during the project. An intuitive view of the project landscape. The projects are not viewed in isolation. The enterprise will have the collection of all types of projects running in parallel and drawing on the same finite resources. Here you will need a way of describing the landscape and providing the foundation for management decision making. The simple and intuitive models define a project landscape around two characteristics: goal and solution. Every project must have a goal and a solution. Two values for each characteristics may generate four quadrant matrix as shown in this diagram. You can see here the traditional projects are found in quadrant 1, agile projects are found in quadrant 2, extreme projects are found in and emerge Z projects are in quadrant 4. Defining a program. A program is a collection of related projects. The projects may have to be completed in a specific order for the program to be considered to complete, because programs may have multiple projects and they are larger in scope than a single project. For example, the United States government had a space program that included several projects such as the Challenger project. A construction company contracts a program to build an industrial technology park with several separate projects. Unlike projects, the programs can have many goals. For example, every launch of a new mission in the NASA space program included several dozens of projects in the form of scientific experiments. Defining a portfolio. A simple definition of a project portfolio is that it is a collection of projects that share some common links to another. The operative phrase in this definition is share some common link to one another. The projects may originate from the same business unit, for example, in information technology. The projects may all originate from the same business unit. The projects may all be new product development projects. The projects may all be research and development projects. The projects may all be infrastructure maintenance projects from the same business. A project portfolio is that it is a collection of projects that share some common links to another. The operative phrase in this particular definition is share. The operative phrase in this definition is share some common link to one another. The projects may originate from the same business unit, for example, in information technology. The projects may all originate from the same business unit. The projects may all be new product development projects. The projects may all be research and development projects. The projects may all be infrastructure maintenance projects from the same business unit. The projects may all be process improvement projects from the same business unit. The projects may all be staffed from the same human resource pool. The projects may request financial support from the. Here, pause the video, think and answer. The answer is B. Here is my reference. Thank you.